Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly open your camera without unlocking your phone in the Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all we need to open our setting and go to the wallpaper and style setting, and you have to select the lock screen wallpaper. Okay, and here we'll be able to customize our lock screen. As you can see, I can get quick access to my flashlight and my voice recorder from my lock screen, and I'm going to reorder the application since we want to quickly access the camera application without unlocking our phone. We have to change the application, so I'm going to replace this flashlight with my camera application so I can get quick access to this camera without unlocking my phone. And we can click on done. Okay, and I'm going to lock my screen. Okay, and if you want to open your camera, you just need to swipe up like this, and the camera will be automatically opened without unlocking your phone. Alright guys, and that's all the way to quickly open camera without unlocking our phone in Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.